Hey everybody. You're supposed to say, what's up, Mike?
Okay.
What's up, Mike?
Hey everybody. Well, today I'm going over the review for the Melka 3D PLA clear filament. It's a decent filament. We've printed several different things, including two of these, which are laundry soap detergent caps, where you could just put the cap on top and the goo just goes back into the bottle. This is like a little phone holder. You put a little magnet on the bottom, like that. And then this is for like headphones that has like a screw that you can screw and unscrew onto a desk. It did come with some extra filament, I guess, as just to show you, but in the shipping process it broke, so I have a bunch of little half rings. It only came in a bag. This was the only filament that I purchased that did not come in a box. I did have a printed handwritten note from, I guess, the owner, so I guess this will just be tossed in the recycling bucket or something like that. The clear part does make it look really cool. Like on this, you can see the blue return of the laundry detergent, and I'll put like a photo right about here on that so you can see what it looks like. Some of my imprints for this included this articulated Stegosaurus. I did have some issues with some first layer issues and some globbing and clumping up, like up here in this corner, right here, and then the mouth down here lifted up a little bit. But once it got past the first layer issues, the stuff it printed very well, and I would go ahead and give this, an average score of maybe 3 out of 5 stars. If you like this video, please go ahead and click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, go ahead and click the little bell in the upper corner, and don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below. Thank you very much, take care, and see you next time. Are you done over there? Okay.
All right.
If you liked the video, please go ahead and click the like button. This is like the first time they're acting like idiots.